Good morning, student. Okay. Once again repeat food. Once again repeat food lesson. Okay. First one is raw food. Second called cooked food. First one is raw food, cooked food, and cooking methods and habits. Cooking methods and habits. Cooking utensils. Cooking in clay pots. Cooking in clay pots. Next, mealtime hygiene. Food during illness. Illness means sickness. Okay, illness means sickness. Next, food wastage. Okay, all are okay. Completed this lesson. Next, we are going to start book exercise. Okay, book exercise, student. Okay, take your book and page number 57. Okay, page number 57. Okay. Take your book. Okay. First, classify the following food items. Okay. Classify the following food items. Okay, so okay, student, take your book, page number 57, and write it. Okay, first, food items from plants. Okay, food items from plant. Carrot, coconut oil, potato, next brinjal, next onion, next radish, next drumstick, next cucumber, okay, food items from plant. Okay, food items from plant. Okay, carrot, coconut oil, potato, brinjal, onion, radish, drumstick, cucumber. Okay, clear? Next, food items from animals. Okay, egg, next milk, next meat, next curd, next ghee, next butter, next buttermilk, okay, student, clear? Next, page number 59. Page number 59. Okay. $50 69. Okay. Try to answer. Write any 5 raw and cooked food. Write any 5 raw and cooked food. Okay. Write any 5 raw and cooked food. Okay. Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Carrot. Next, banana. Next, mango. Next, dates. And badam. Okay, raw food, carrot, banana, mango, dates, badam. Okay, clear? Second question, cooked food. Okay, cooked food. Food, okay. Idli, puri, dosa, vadai, next, dosa, next, idiyappam, idiyappam or pongal, okay, idiyappam and idiyappam, okay, clear? Raw food, carrot, banana, mango, dates and badam. Okay, next cooked food, idli, puri, vadai, dosa and idiyappam. Okay, clear? Next, page number 61. Next, page number 61. Page number 61. Tabled the given food items according to the cooking methods. Okay. Tabled the given food items according to the cooking methods. Page number 61. Okay. Boiling, steaming, next roasting, next frying, okay. Students, write it Okay. Boil eggs, rice, milk, dal, murke, next steaming, puttu, next idli, next idiyappam, next roasting, popcorn, corn, next groundnut, next frying fish, puri. Okay, here student, next same page number 61. Next try to answer. Okay, first question, write any two cooking methods that your mother follows. Okay, write any two cooking methods. Okay, write any two cooking methods that your mother follows. Okay, student, same page number 61. Next, try to answer. First question, write any two cooking methods that your mother follows. Okay, boiling, frying. First question answer is boiling, frying. Okay. Next, second question. Say true or false. Okay. Say true or false. A. First question. A. You should wash your hand before cooking. True or false? Yes, very good. True. Okay. Answer is true. Answer is true. Next. Sorry, student. Question 2, A and B. Okay, A answer true. A answer is true. Okay, here next vegetable. B question, vegetables and fruits should be washed after cutting. True or false? Yes, very good. False. Okay, false. Okay, clear student. Next, page number 62. Page number 62. Okay. Let us do. Write the cooking utensils used for preparing given food items. Okay, listen to carefully, student. Write the cooking utensils used for preparing given food items. Okay, pan, pot, rice cooker, tawa, idli cooker. Okay. Pot, pot. Okay. Next, rice cooker. Rice cooker. Next, dawa. Next, idli cooker. Okay. Idli cooker. Okay. Student, here idli cooker. The answer is okay. Tablet column. Write it tablet column. Okay. Food items. Next, name of the cooking utensils. Name of the cooking utensils. Okay. Student, you only answer. Okay, you only correct answer. Okay. Tell me first food items. First one is rice. Okay. Name of the cooking utensils, rice cooker. Very good. Rice cooker. Second one is okay. Second one is idiyappam puttu. Second one is idiyappam puttu. Okay. Name of the cooking utensils, idli cooker. Very good. Idli cooker. Okay. Student. Next, third, vada. Okay. Vada. Pan. Okay. Pan. Next, sambar. Sambar, pot or pan. Pot or pan. Okay. Next, dosa. Next, dosa, dawa. Dawa. Okay. Okay, student. Clear? Same page 62. Write true or false. Okay. Write true or false. Okay. Same page 62. Write true or false. Okay. Okay. First question. Earlier people cooked the food in pressure cooker. Okay. True or false? Correct. Very good. First question. False. Answer is false. Okay. And second question. Solar cooker reduce the use of fuel. Okay. True or false? Very good. True. Okay. Answer is true. Okay. Answer is true. Okay. Next. Third question. Pressure cooker is not a cooking utensil. Okay. True or false? Very good. Correct. False. Okay. Third question. False. Clear, student? Next page number 64. Page number 64. Next page number 64. Yes. Tick the appropriate one. Tick the appropriate one. Okay. Food, hygienic food, junk food. Okay. Food, hygienic food, junk food. Okay. Food, hygienic food, hygienic food, junk food. Okay. Junk food. Junk food. Okay. Clear? Okay. Student, food. Fresh food. Food. Hygienic food or junk food? Yes, very good. Hygienic food. Okay. And hygienic food. Student, tick the answer. Okay. Tick the mark. Okay. Tick the mark. Next, samosa. Okay. Samosa. Samosa. Hygienic food or junk food? Yes, very good. Junk food. Junk food. Okay. Next, nuts. Okay. Next, nuts. N-U-T-S. Nuts. Nuts. Hygienic food or junk food? Yes, very good. Hygienic food. Next, Bani Puri. Bani Puri. Okay. Bani Puri. It is correct. It is hygienic food or junk food? Yes, very good. Junk food. Next, finalist. Next, vegetable salad. Okay, vegetable salad. Vegetable salad. Hygienic food or junk food? Very good. Correct answer. Hygienic food. Okay. Hygienic food. Okay. Clear, student? Clear? Okay, student. Next, same page number. Try to answer. Right? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Junk food is good for health. Junk food is good for health. Good health or bad health? Yes, very good. Bad. Okay. Junk food is good for health. Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Okay. Same page number 64. Same page number 64. Okay. Answer is first question. Junk food is good for health. Answer is no. Okay. Answer is no. And second question. You should wash your hand before and after eating. Yes, very good. You should wash your hand before and eating. Okay, after eating. Yes or no? Very good. Yes. Okay, clear? Student, page number 65. Page number 65. Page number 65. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First question. Dash is an easily digested food. Okay. Dash is easily digested food. Okay. Idli. Okay. Idli. First question. Idli. And second question answer. We should avoid eating to dash food. Okay. Junk food or fresh food? Yes. Avoid eating food. Junk food. Avoid eating junk food. Okay. Answer is junk food. Okay. Okay, student. Clear? Next. Page number 67. Page number 67. Okay. Page number 67. Try to answer. Try to answer. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First question. World Hungry Day is observed on dash. Okay. May 28. Okay. Student, very carefully. World Hunger Day is observed on dash. Okay. May 28. Which date? May which? 28. Okay. Next, second question. We can the proceed pickle by pickling. Okay. Pickling. Okay. Okay, student. Bookwork exercise over. Next, book back exercise. Okay. Book back exercise. Student, okay. Next, we are going to start bookwork exercise. Bookwork exercise. Student, take your book. Page number 67. Page number 67. Okay. Page number 67. Evaluation. Okay. Evaluation. First question. Roman letter 1. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Okay. First question. Which one can be eaten as raw food? Okay. A. Meat. B. Carrot. C. Fish. D. Potato. Which one is correct answer? Very good. Carrot is correct answer. Carrot is correct answer. First question. Answer. Roman letter 1. Choose the best answer. Okay. Choose the best answer. Okay. Okay, student. First question. Answer is B. Carrot. Carrot. Student, take your answer. Take your pen and pencil. Take your pencil and eraser. Okay, both answer. Take your answer. Carrot. Okay, take your answer. Carrot. Okay. Next, question number second question. Uncooked food is called. Uncooked food is called A. Junk food. B. Hygienic food. C. Raw food. D. Cooked food. Which one is correct answer? Yes, very good. Raw food is correct answer. Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Okay. Third question. Solar cooker reduce dash. Solar cooker reduce dash. Okay. A. Air pollution. B. Water pollution. C. Land pollution. D. Noise pollution. Which one is correct answer? Yes, very good. Air pollution is correct answer. Air pollution. Air pollution. Okay. And fourth question. Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Okay, preserved by drying methods. A. Rice. B. Cereals. Sorry, B. Cereals. C. Fish. D. Fruits. Which one is correct answer? Yes, very good. Rice is correct answer. Rice. Rice is the correct answer. Okay, rice is the correct answer. Okay. Next, fifth question. We can avoid food wastage by. We can avoid food wastage by A. Giving to the needy. B. Eating more than we need. C. Buying extra food. D. Throwing in a dustbin. Throwing in a dustbin. Okay. Which one is correct answer? Yes, very good. Giving to the needy. Okay. Giving to the needy. Giving to the needy. Okay. Here. Next, common letter 2. Same page number 67. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. Okay. First question. Dash gives us energy to work and play. Okay. Raw or junk food? Yes, very good. Raw food is correct answer. Normal letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Okay, first question. Dash gives us energy to work and play. Okay, answer is the correct answer. Raw food. Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Second question. Cooked food is easily digested or undigested. Very good. Digested. Okay. And third question. Pressure cooker is one of the gas utensils. Modern or older? Yes, very good. Modern. Fourth question. We need pure air, protected water and dash food for our healthy life. Okay, general hygienic. Very good. Hygienic. Hygienic. Okay. Next, fifth question. We make idiyappam by dash method. Boiling or steaming? Very good. Steaming. Okay. Steaming. Okay, student. Clear. Next. Okay, student. Next, we see match the following. Wrong letter. Third, match the following. Page number 68. Okay. Page number 68. Okay. First question. Bread. Correct answer is raw food. Very good. Raw food is correct answer. Okay. And second question. Mixer of vegetables. Okay. Correct answer is salad. Okay. Correct answer is salad. Okay. Note the answer, student. Okay. Third question. Electric rice cooker. Modern utensils. Okay. Modern utensils. Okay. Next, earthen pot. Okay. Fourth question. Earthen pot. Okay. Correct answer. Olden utensils. Okay. Correct answer. Olden utensils. Okay. Last final. Less party food. Okay. Food during illness. Illness means sickness. Okay. Okay, student. Next we are going to write yes or no. Okay. Write yes or no. Okay, student. Next we see write yes or no. Okay. Write yes or no. First question. Biryani is a raw food. Yes or no? No. Student, write it. Okay. No. Second one is frying is a method of cooking. It is yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Third question. We can cook rice on a dama. It is correct answer. Yes or no? Yes. No. Okay. Only rice cooker the cooking. Okay. So fourth question. Cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. It is a yes or no? Yes. Fourth question. Cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Answer is yes. Okay. Next, fifth question. Consuming too much oily food is bad for overheat healthy. Our healthy. Okay. Our healthy. It is correct answer. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Answer is correct answer. Yes. Okay, student. Thank you, student.
Okay.